Okay, we'll just settle down and we'll listen a little bit about the place where you are sitting is a Jain temple, and the idol over there is one of the Tirthankar's idol. He left everything, all the pleasures he had wealth beyond your thinking, so much wealth he had, but he left everything in search of his soul. And finally, after leaving everything, he did penance, and finally, by knowing more and more about his soul, he got rid of all the karmic matters and achieved salvation, liberation. The monks sitting in front of you all, these are the Jain monks and these are the female nuns. They practiced what was told by that Jain idol when he was in living condition. When he preached all his sayings, the monks here, they are following his sayings. The monks sitting in front of you, they don't wear clothes. They follow complete celibacy. They just eat food once in a day, once in 24 hours. Standing only in their hands, whatever people come and give, they take it in their hand and eat. They don't visit salon or any barber. They pluck their own hair. They don't keep money. They don't have any house. They just keep walking from place to place, and they forward the teachings of Lord Mahavir. Mahavir was the last Jain Tirthankar, and it has been 2550 years, 2550 years. He had achieved liberation then, and now all these monks, they are studying his teachings. The person sitting on white, these saints are sitting without anything. You know, usually people think the more we want, the more we'll have, we'll be happy. But the truth is, happiness is not about getting or taking more and more stuff. The less you have, the more you will be happy. That is the main pursuit of happiness. How to be happy? Just try to, with little baggage, you can travel more. When you are traveling, if your baggage is light, you can travel more freely and more happily. So that is what all our lives are about. That we try to leave everything. We don't collect. We leave everything. And in this journey, we try to find our soul so that even we can become one of the pure soul. Here, you know, you can see the hair over, they don't have their hair. So yesterday, they just plucked down their hair. They don't go to barber or any salon. They don't use any razor or shaving kit or anything. They'll pluck out their hair. So they don't have to actually go and ask someone to give me money so I can go to some salon or have a haircut or like that. So, and here also, if you can see, this just one white cloth. We'll cover ourselves, and this is what we'll keep wearing. We don't keep on changing our dresses every day, just once in a day. This you can see, this is of peacock feather. So this is not for some fashion or some grooming stuff. This is actually to protect the lives of the minute creatures. You know, there are small creatures around, ants, insects, which are visible and invisible as well. So we use this. This is the most softest stuff, peacock feather. So we'll just groom it around and we'll sit down. So we'll take care that not even a single minute creature is being hurt because of us. This religion is completely about ahimsa, non-violence. So we try to practice that nobody gets hurt because of us. And this little thing which you can see, this is like a small water keeping tool. So we keep a boiled water in this so that we can use this when we want to wash our face or hands, or when we want to go to washroom. So we'll use water from this. We don't keep on opening taps or go and fill buckets or anything. Just this one bottle water keeping stuff, and this will fill just once in 24 hours. So these two things, and of course one book in which we'll have our scriptures. So these three things, that's all we keep with ourselves. No bags, no cars, nothing. We don't use car or any other vehicle to travel across. We'll just keep walking. So if we want to travel, we'll have to walk from one destination to another. And we don't wear footwears, so we walk without any slippers or any shoes. This is completely a natural life. I would just request one of